In this video today, I'm going to be showing you some Monopoly Go reward codes that you can use right now in 2026. You can apply these codes in the Monopoly Go website and it's going to supply you with tons of free dice rolls, guys. So this is the easiest method to get free dice in Monopoly Go using Monopoly Go reward codes. And yeah, you simply go to the website, enter in your reward code in the enter code box here where it says claim your reward, and it's going to supply you with tons of free dice. Before I show you guys how to do this, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm always searching for brand new methods of getting free dice in Monopoly Go. So let's get into the tutorial. What you're going to want to do to get your Monopoly Go reward codes is just open up your internet browser, use the mobile phone that you play Monopoly Go on. That just makes it a lot easier, and you've got to head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. so just type it exactly like this, guys, cold coupons, and what it's going to do, it's going to bring you to this web page here. Now, as you can see, they have hundreds of different pages of game codes. They don't only have mobile games such as Monopoly Go, they have desktop games and console games. So go to the search bar. What you need to do is search for Monopoly Go, and this is the rewards codes page. As you can see, there is one verified coupon here, and these are pretty popular. I actually found this method in another YouTube video, but the tutorial didn't have many views, so I thought I'd create an updated one. Scroll down, and this is the Monopoly Go free dice redeem code. So this is a Monopoly Go reward code to get 100,000 free dice, and if you know the price of dice in Monopoly Go, this is literally going to save you so much money, so it is really worth doing. And this is the only working method in 2026. So obviously these are limited codes, and considering how much dice rolls would cost in app, you do need to unlock your code, guys. So yeah, this is going to prevent you from having to purchase dice. You need to unlock your free code by clicking this button and following the instructions on this page here, guys. This pretty much is a verification step to confirm you're a real person, and it does limit one code per person. So it basically stops someone being able to take all of the codes. So you need to complete 2 of the tasks below to unlock your code. Now, as you can see, these tasks are pretty much like mobile applications. They're all completely free. One thing I will mention, guys, it's very important that you do follow the text below each task, because that basically tells you exactly what you need to do to complete that specific one. So just complete 2 of these, and once you do that, it will redirect you back to this page, and your Monopoly Go reward code for free dice will be revealed here. So the full code will be shown, and you simply redeem it in that Monopoly Go website in the reward code redeem box. So there we go, you enter it into there, guys, and that is going to get you free dice in Monopoly Go. So head on over to Cold Coupons and search for the Monopoly Go rewards code page and select the 100,000 free dice code. So if you found this video useful, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.